Beautiful day to go ride some dirt bikes on the back roads. Ready to go ride. What?
Alright, where are we going?
Just riding these. Let's go to that hill.
Huh? You good? I'm chilling, bro.
Couldn't be better.
Hey, you see me almost go in the woods?
Yeah, I did too, honestly.
When? Right there.
Alright, ready?
Yeah. I'm just gonna go slow.
Braxton, was that way pretty? Oh wait, there's more trees.
What the heck? Hey, hang on! What? Well, wait! Follow, go. Follow. Urban exploring. Huh?
Should I go out on a spin real quick?
Yeah.
Are you ever not watching?
Calling Dad.
What happened? Why are you calling him?
I ain't got traction.
I don't know what he wants.
Why? What'd he say?
He's chilling outside. Just go up there. He probably wants you to put on pants, right?
Max, Colton's calling you.
Yeah, I know.
Go over there, man. I know, I'm going.
Uh-oh, Jake.
Alright, I'm fucking. Give her some gas.
I
have
gotta...
my kill switch on.
Oh. Whoa.
Ew.
That was water. What? What happened?
That thing's smoking bad.
It's
Well,
going away for a month if he wipes out.
he's not gonna do nothing stupid.
That better not wipe out. That's bucket. Max, better not wipe out. Better not wipe out, buddy.
Bro, if I wipe out, how's he gonna find out if I wipe out? You have dirt all over your arm. Well, then I'll take all my clothes off before I go
You
in.
come back with a shattered arm. Like,
You're gonna come back naked.
Like, bro, if I wipe out and get majorly hurt, then I'm not gonna ride anyway, so
Who's that?
I have no clue.
Alright, Max, get these clips.
Alright, where at?
Oh.
I'm not, like, I'll hit it. I just don't want to hit it on
Hey,
someone else's bike for
I can pop up my front wheel.
I saw that.
Is this drum dialed,
That
Max?
thing's impossible
Not
to
that
keep up.
This one
unless
and
it's
that one and that one.
small.
I want to see you give this thing a run for its money.
This thing's easy, bro.
Then let's see it.
Bro, I can't. What? Bro, I told my dad I would not jump in. If I somehow I jumped and fell, I'd be killed. I'd get killed.
Come on, you got this.
Alright, let's go ride before I have to go home.
Max.
You got this.
I can't. I'm literally not allowed to.
13 KTM.
King T.
Come over tomorrow after I
Listen, bro,
practice.
you'll
I'll
be
hit it.
Enduro Daddy.
Yeah. Are
Come over
you?
tomorrow after practice. I'll
Are
hit
you
it.
the real Enduro Daddy?
Yes,
All
bro.
right, let's go ride before I have to go home.
Alright, I'm gonna finish cleaning this thing.
Man, you...
Come ride with us for a little
Where are
bit.
you guys riding at?
Max,
Just
that
dirt
thing is a
roads.
first kicker.
No, we'll go the back way.
No,
Go-
the trees, that pit.